Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Let's get straight into it. Today we are unboxing an F case in store. This F case was found in Target City Store here in Melbourne. Looks like it was only one case ordered for this store. So I took it off the cage, ripped straight into it, and opened it up in the store. So let's have a look what was in this case. I was pretty happy to find this. It's very rare that I get into the stores early enough to get a case just due to my working hours, but this today was a bit of an exception. So here I was first thing in the morning, stock was out, ready to be packed, and I got it. So let's pull it out two or three cars at a time. Feel free to leave your comments down below. What would you have grabbed out of this F case? I've grabbed a whole heap of cars. Usually when I get to the shelves, not much of the good stuff out of this case is left, and since we're still only just getting F cases here in Australia, don't get left with much when I get to the store. So I've already grabbed two, and we're only like 2 rows in, so I was pretty happy with this. What do you all think about that Ducati? I'm not too excited about the motorbikes, but some people are. Leave your comments below about that. A few of those Nissans. I grabbed another one. I've already got some. I left one, obviously. I don't like to take too many. Yeah, have those. Yeah, I was really happy with this. That factory fresh Ford there, pretty cool. I took this one to the GT from the Exotic series. Thank you. Fantasy, got it. And then the Veloster there, was it? I think. Didn't take that one. Got the Aston Martin. I already have it in different colours. I don't really like that green. Got that 500. Got that Mazda. Was that a Mazda? Oh, that looks like that one is for me. Thank you very much. Custom Datsun. I'll take that. I think there's only one per case of that. Ah, yes, the Lotus. That was mine. That's going to be awesome on the track. I can't wait to race that one. Okay, that's the first layer. Let's dig into the bottom layer. I was really hoping for a treasure hunt or super treasure hunt, but this box was a bit disappointing. There was no treasure hunt, no super treasure hunt. Never mind. So what else is there? No, I left that, didn't take that. I was thinking about that that Dodge, like, but no, I left it, changed my mind. Sick of that toilet truck. I hate it. They're everywhere. No one takes them. I already have that Dodge. Have that Chevy, and hello, thank you. This is mine. I've been waiting for that for so long. I never get it. There's only one per case, and today it was mine. So I was very happy with that. Yeah, almost done. I was a bit disappointed at this stage. There's no treasure hunt found, but you know. Oh yes, that Honda Civic was mine. I also took that 32 Ford. I like that new color. And there it is, the Skyline. So I just took one, I left one. It seems to be highly collectible. So hopefully someone that wants it grabs it. And there we have, I grabbed that Dodge as well. And that was it. That was unboxing that F case here at Target Melbourne City Store. I was really happy. That was what I took home. and then I politely packed it onto the shelf. I did check the cage just again, just like, oh, is there another case? Come on, be something. But no, it ended up that there was nothing else on that cage. But I did find the 5-packs. There was one case of 5-packs, so I've just opened that up and give you all a look at what cars were in that case of 5-packs. I didn't take any. I don't need any 5-packs at the moment. And this store had so many 5-packs, I don't even know why they had another order come in. It was their shelf was full. They're a little bit more expensive in this store than, like, say, Kmart. I think they're like $12 versus $9 in Kmart. So overall, not bad. Oh, those Dino Riders, they get left everywhere. Yeah, it was pretty cool. I like that panel van in that Hot Wheels Metro pack. All right, thumbs up. Don't forget, leave your comments down below. What did you think of that F case? What would you have taken? I'm sure I didn't miss anything. I know I didn't, but just in case, what did I miss? And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next in the Hot Wheels garage. Thanks, everyone.